A nuclear power plant is a thermal power plant that can generate electrical energy from thermal energy. They consist of many buildings and facilities. The most important part is as follows. The turbine building houses has several turbines and generator that is needed to generate the electricity. The nuclear reactor's containment building is a structure constructed of meter-thick concrete blocks. The nuclear reaction occurs where the water is heated. A cooling tower is shown in the context. A cooling tower operates as a cooling station for hot water.
In pressurized water reactors, about 150 such assemblies are installed. A single fuel assembly is composed of many fuel rods. A fuel rod is about 5 meters in length and has a diameter of about 25 centimeters. The actual nuclear fuel is found inside of each fuel rod. Small nuclear fuel pellets composed of enriched uranium or plutonium make nuclear fusion chain reaction possible. In the fusion chain reaction, thermal energy is released. Water is needed in order to absorb the thermal energy and keep the chain reaction going. Inside the vessel, the water is heated to over 570 degrees Fahrenheit. The water does not boil, however, since the pressurizer maintains the water pressure constant at around 160 bars.
After the nuclear fission happens, in the reactor pressure vessel, the water now is pumped to heat exchanger. This heat exchanger, also known as steam generator. In this section, the most important part is the U-tube section. This U-tube is made of various high-performance alloys. The hot water that have been pumped before flows through the U-tube, heating up the metal of the pipe so that any water inside the heat exchanger begins to boil. So, the pressurized water will flow from this way and flow through the coil, and then the water will heat up and boil. The resulting steam then flow to the set of pipe to the turbine building.
Okay, now we can see that steam is produced, and then steam will go through the turbine building through the pipe, and then the steam will go to the high pressure steam turbine and then rotate the rod, and then the balance of the steam will enter the low pressure steam turbine, and then we can see that all the turbine is connected to the rod. This is the rod, and then the rod is connected to the generator. The generator will produce the AC electricity by rotational energy, and then the steam will enter the condenser and then turn the steam to the water, and then the water will go back to the steam generator. Why Malaysia does not have nuclear power plant? Because Malaysia cannot find a way to manage nuclear waste and effect of radiation. Effect of radiation can lead to people and animals to suffer. And scientific advancement solution of nuclear power does not discover yet. And it is very costly.